Hi guys, it's Alissa Todd, and if this is your first video, welcome to my channel. I'm a financial advisor and I share weekly money tips. And today I want to share 4 ways to save more money and boost your savings. So the first thing is to meal prep. And I know that this can be very challenging as it feels like you may not have the time to create all of your meals for the week in one go. But think about all the money that you're saving, not on just the cost of the actual meal, but also the tax and the tip that goes into dining out. And this is something that I've started to seriously focus on, and it has really cut down on my dining out expenses. The second thing is to automate your savings, and I feel like I say this in every single budgeting and savings video that I do, but it is so true and important. Set up that automatic transfer into your savings every time that you get paid, and you can select either a specific dollar amount or a percentage. The third thing to do is to review all of your subscription accounts. Really evaluate if they are worth keeping, and if you haven't used them in the last 3 months, consider canceling them. And fourth but not least is to set very specific financial goals. Calculate exactly how much you need or want to save for those goals, such as travel, a home down payment, and anything else that you have in mind. But come up with the actual dollar amount and decide by when. And that way you can calculate how much you need to save on a monthly basis to help you towards achieving those goals, and set up that automatic transfer. So those are my 4 tips to save more money. What is one thing that you're doing right now or that you're going to do to save money? And I would love to hear that. And for more money and budgeting tips, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you're ready to take your financial life to the next level, our team is here to help you. So schedule your initial discovery session by using the link in the description box below, or by going through my website or sending me a message. And I will see you on my next money tip.